So this is another question, right, from JAMB in 1999 that says, when excess ethanol is heated at 145 degrees Celsius in the presence of concentrated H₂SO₄, the product is A, ethane, B, diethyl sulfate, C is diethyl ether, and D is acetone. So let's see what happens here. Actually, this reaction is of two types, depending on the temperature that was used. So if the temperature used is around 145 degrees Celsius, there's a reaction that will take place. And if temperature used is about 170 degrees Celsius, there's another reaction that will take place. But since JAMB is specific on 145 degrees Celsius, we'll look at the reaction that takes place. However, both cases, the reaction is called dehydration. And since it is dehydration, we need a dehydrating agent. And the dehydrating agent that is used is concentrated H₂SO₄. So let's look at, and watch again, excess ethanol is used. So let's look at how that works. So ethanol is C2H5OH. Is heated to 145 degrees Celsius in the presence of concentrated H₂SO₄. So what happens is, look at what happens here. This concentrated H₂SO₄ is a dehydrating agent. So its work is to remove hydrogen and oxygen. So it removes hydrogen and oxygen in the form of H₂O. So watch where it is here. It removes this one, this OH, and one of the hydrogens from here. So if it removes one of the hydrogens from here, what is remaining here is just H₄SO₄. So we'd have C2H5. Remember, this OH has been removed and one H has been added here, so it will mean H₄SO₄. This compound is called ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulphate 6. Ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulphate 6. Now, this ethyl hydrogen tetraoxosulphate 6, remember you are using excess ethanol. Because you are using excess ethanol, it reacts with another ethanol, since you are using excess ethanol, to then give you, watch what it will then give you. This man breaks like this, and this man breaks away. So this is coming to join this, and this H here returns to the H₂SO₄. So HSO4, making it H₂SO₄ back. And then you have C2H5O from here and C2H5. So the name of this compound is like you have an alkyl group. You can see an alkyl group. You can see under alkyl group, then join to O. So this is called an ether. So what you'll be having at the end of the day is this right here. Let's look at the compound C2H5O, C2H5. This is ethyl. This is ethyl. And this right here is a functional group for an ether. So you have two ethyl. So we'll call it diethyl and ether. So this is the compound form at a temperature of about 145 degrees Celsius.